Okay, can you describe dumpster to me? Dumpster is a place where we just put our old rotten materials, all the bad things like utensils or the leftovers, whatever we eat, right? We just throw it. Like we have one dumpster here nearby Valley or here also, right? So we throw garbage, right? Huh? Dump yard, you can say. So do you like that place, dumpster? Do you? Why don't people like dumpster? Can you tell me?
Because, sir, from my perspective, people, the reason behind why people doesn't like dumpsters area,
People don't like.
people don't like, because there are very weird smells are coming. First reason,
Yes, yes.
and second is that there are very bad things like animals poop and all.
Yeah, you're right, absolutely. So you can say that some people, when they say dumpster, that we default to disgusting. But we can also describe I don't like disgusting, grease stained, rats infesting, foul smell.